Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm back with a new website and hosting website. It's called Scala Hosting. So first thing, like usual, let me give you a short idea about this website. Scala Hosting is a web hosting company that offers a range of hosting solutions with exceptional features and customer support. So to get started with Scala Hosting, simply head on over to Scala Hosting or scalahosting.com in Google. This is the result I got after my search. You have different results here. This is the sponsored one. This is the official site. Scala hosting, web hosting, reseller hosting, and cloud service. So let's click on it. Now we are on the present page. We have here the first information. We can read them to know more about this hosting websites. So we're gonna come back to this page later after sign up. Now to get started, first we need to choose a plan. We have the start one and different prices to pay. We have the advanced one, the businesses, and the enterprise, with of course different services over here. So I will just show you how to create an account. I will not create this because I don't use this website. So let's try with the start one. We have 2 CPO cores, 4 GB RAM, and 15 GB for the NVMe SSD, and unlimited bandwidth. So let's get started. So we have different steps over here to choose the product, configure products, choose domain, and payments. We need to choose some things here. The select billing cycle, it's independent to you. I will just try with 1 month. Okay, there is here some prices to pay. We have 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 36 months. Okay, we'll choose one from these. And we need to select the management. Here we have 2. We have the managed and the self-managed. So if you choose the managed, you have the services over here, growing your businesses with hands-off, server management. And if you choose this one, okay, this is what you will get. Confirm self-management. Okay, now we have to select operation system and control panel. Okay, this one is free. Now it's free thing. Okay, Rocky Linux with S panel, control panel, or you can choose the Ubuntu 20.04, and we have other stuffs here. Okay, I will just choose the first one. I will just choose them. I mean, you can edit this information whatever you want. Okay, to customize your server, we have here to, okay, let's choose this one. Okay, we'll just choose whatever you want. This is independent on you. Okay, and the price that you want to pay. Let's click on continue. So we have here in the third steps that choose a domain. If you register a new domain, you will click over here and enter a domain fine. If you want to transfer your domain from another register, you will just click over here and transform it from here. If you don't need a domain, you will click over here and then you will click on continue. This is the total due today to pay. Okay, it's $16. We have the fourth steps is about payments. You need to get off here your payments information, your email over here, password, and to confirm your password, and then just you will agree, and then you will create your account successfully. So let's come back to the present page to know more information about this website here. So here we come back to the present page. We have here, like you see, the hosting. The hosting services in this website. The Scala hosting provides a variety of hosting options, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and reseller hosting. And we have here technology, like you say, over. So for the affiliates here, the affiliate marketing is popular and mutually beneficial arrangement where affiliates can earn income by promoting products or services while merchants can expand their reach and generate sales through the offer of a network of affiliates. So here we have different things. If you have already an account on this website, you can just log in over here and chat with them to ask them or any service customer from here. You find a lot of information, like I see different plans here with different services and a video to know more about this website. That what is a managed VPS. The managed VPS is a type of web hosting plans where the provider affiliate and more. You can read this to know more, and we have here some awards, like you see over here: the Best Cloud Hosting 2023, the Best Cloud Providers, Top Rated VPS Host, and Best Email Hosting, and the first Managed Cloud Hosting Platform, like you see over here. And you can find here why the Scala hosting and the answer over here, and a lot of comments of the viewers, and other applications are supported on this website over here. So this is our website for today. Please, if you understand, please follow for more and subscribe. So like usual guys, bye bye to the next video and next website. I hope you still with good health.